Hello and welcome back once again to the GeForce IT Service Academy. This is the lesson 43 in the creation of our school management system. In lesson 42, we started working on how to do some basic settings on the teacher's Emis data table so that our system can function well without any stress and without any challenge. So in this lesson 2, we are just going to move straight forward and continue doing some basic settings on the teacher's Emis data table here. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. Please make sure that you don't skip any part of this video. Don't forget to check the description of this video for more lessons on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. We have from lesson 1 up to the final lesson here, and we are going to upload more videos onto this channel on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. So please share this video, subscribe, turn on notification bell icon for all, drop your comments in the comment section. All right, thank you very much. Let's just get started without wasting much time. So let's select this one here, left click and hold, then drag it to the last end. On this same sheet where you see date of first appointment, then we move to the last number. We are developing the system for 200 teachers minus 199. So let's change the font style to Times New Roman here like this. We go back to the home tab again. We increase the font size to 12. The alignment, we center everything like this. So we are done with this one too, basically. So it's not anything difficult at all. You only need to follow simple instructions. So we select this one too. We move it to where we see the next date of first appointment. Then we move to the last teacher. That is going to be 199. You come to this side here to Times New Roman like this. Then we go to font size. We increase it to 12. Then the alignment, we move it to center like this. So you can see everything appearing at the center here, at the middle here, in the middle of this particular columns. So let's move to the next one here. That is going to be the 15th teacher. So left click and hold, then you drag it to where you see the next date of first appointment like this. Then move to the last teacher, 199 like this. Then we go to the home tab, change the font style to Times New Roman, increase the font size, change the alignment to center, hit enter. Then we are done basically with that one too. So we are moving to the next one, but please don't forget to save your work. So Ctrl S, then you click on OK. Press Ctrl S on your keyboard, then you see this pop up, then you click on OK. So we have already saved our work without facing any trouble. All right, so we do this one here like this. We move to the last one, that is going to be the 199th teacher. Please make sure that you follow simple instructions. So we go to the home tab here like this. You change the font style to Times New Roman. Then you come to font size. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to work on the alignment. So you center everything here. Please make sure that you center everything so that it will look nice. All right, so let's move to the next one here. We are moving to the next teacher, where we are going to do some basic settings for that teacher too as well. So let's just move it here like this to the 199th teacher like this. Good, so we have it there. So let's go to the home tab like this, then to Times New Roman like this. To this side, we increase the font size to 12, then the alignment to center. So we have it up and running there. All right, so we are going to do another thing, but before we do that thing, let's just Ctrl S to save our work. Now it's time for us to check and see if our system is working or not. Let's check something here before we continue with whatever we want to do. So first of all, let's check the number of teachers details that we have on this particular sheet here. But before we check that, we would like to end this video here We don't want this video to be lengthy. We don't want this video to be long. So we would like to end it here and continue in lesson 44. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for your much attention. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Share this video with your friends to also benefit from. So let's meet in lesson 44. Thank you very much. Bye bye.